I'm gonna show you this little trick here on your DirecTv. Say for instance, you wanna search for a movie, or just say some movies, Denzel Washington, or you wanna search for the news. You're gonna hit the menu. Once you hit the menu button, you can go up right here to the search. I know it's kind of blurry once I move out the way. You see the search, and then you hit enter, and you can start typing in what you want. Say for instance, you want news. You just type in and you just start typing news, whatever, and then go over. But I'm gonna show you an easier way. That's exit out. I'm gonna show you an easier way to get to the search. Only thing you need to do is push this button right here. See right there? Just push that and it'll take you straight to the search instead of going through the menu. And then what you wanna do, we're gonna go to, let's say Denzel. We start typing Denzel. And there you go. You go over and click on Denzel, hit search, and it'll show you movies that Denzel is in. As you can see right there, it gives you his born December the 28th. And there you go. You want some American Gangster or whatever, you just click on it. And some of these you may have to pay for them, or I can watch it right now. Just hit watch right now because I have the service. But that's it. That's how you can do a quick search. Again, just hit this little button right under the 7, the minus button. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.